listen to it.
Sounds like a Bormax unit.
And that tank sodas. Bormax.
Look at that, there's the...
They all have their, I think Bormax uses Maxton valves, so probably, I mean, they all sound the same. It's a Maxton valve, so it is. Looks like it.
Unitech.
Yeah, it's Otis.
Huh.
United Technologies.
Yeah. There's a hydraulic line right there. Hell yeah. Is it at the top landing right now?
Yeah.
Nice.
So yeah, you can do lane calls from here.